Section 5.1.7, Judicial Misconduct. I'm Dr. Adam McKee, author of Criminal Justice, an overview of the system. Today, we will explore two crucial aspects of our judicial system: judicial misconduct and judicial independence. Understanding these concepts is vital for appreciating the checks and balances that maintain the integrity and fairness of our courts. Judicial misconduct. Judges hold significant power within the criminal justice system, and with great power comes great responsibility. Unfortunately, there are instances where judges can act unethically or illegally, leading to judicial misconduct. Such actions can severely damage the public's trust in the judiciary and result in unjust outcomes. Each state has its own mechanisms to address judicial misconduct. At the federal level, the process to remove a judge involves impeachment, overseen by the Senate. Impeachment is a serious and complex procedure, highlighting the gravity of removing a judge from their position. Judicial misconduct can take various forms. Bribery is one example, where a judge accepts money or favors in exchange for favorable rulings. Bias and prejudice can also constitute misconduct, as judges are expected to be impartial. Conflict of interest, where a judge presides over a case in which they have a personal interest, is another form. Abuse of power, where judges use their authority for personal gain, and improper communication, where they engage in unauthorized discussions about a case, are also serious issues. To ensure accountability, states have established judicial conduct commissions. These bodies investigate allegations of misconduct and can recommend disciplinary actions, which may include censure, suspension, or removal from office. At the federal level, the impeachment process involves investigation by the House Judiciary Committee, a majority vote in the House of Representatives to impeach, and a trial by the Senate, requiring a two-thirds majority vote to convict and remove the judge from office. While most judges are ethical and diligent, having these mechanisms in place is crucial for maintaining public confidence in the judicial system's integrity. Judicial independence. The Founding Fathers of the United States emphasized the importance of an independent judiciary. Judicial independence ensures that judges can make fair and impartial decisions without undue influence from the other branches of government. The doctrine of separation of powers is fundamental to the U.S. government. It divides the government into three branches: the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary. Each branch has distinct powers and responsibilities, providing a system of checks and balances. Judicial independence serves several critical purposes. It allows judges to decide cases based on the law and facts, free from political or personal pressures. It also ensures that the judiciary acts as a check on the powers of the executive and legislative branches, preventing them from exceeding their constitutional authority. Moreover, it protects individual rights by upholding the Constitution and legal principles. While the judiciary is designed to be independent, it is not entirely free from influence. The executive branch appoints federal judges, and the Senate confirms them. The legislative branch controls the budget for the judicial system, impacting its resources and operations. Despite these influences, several safeguards are in place to protect judicial independence. Federal judges, for instance, are appointed for life tenure, meaning they cannot be fired once appointed. This lifetime appointment helps insulate judges from political pressure, allowing them to make decisions based solely on the law. The Founding Fathers understood that judges who feared losing their jobs could not be neutral and unbiased. They designed the government to protect judicial independence, ensuring that judges could rule against the legislative or executive branches without fear of retribution. For example, in the landmark case of Marbury v. Madison in 1803, Chief Justice John Marshall asserted the judiciary's role in reviewing the constitutionality of legislative and executive actions. This decision established the principle of judicial review, solidifying the judiciary's role as a check on the other branches of government. Maintaining judicial independence requires vigilance and commitment from all branches of government and the public. Key measures include ensuring that the judicial appointment process is transparent and based on qualifications rather than political considerations, providing sufficient resources for the judiciary to operate effectively and independently, upholding high ethical standards for judges, and addressing misconduct swiftly and fairly. Educating the public about the importance of judicial independence and the role of the judiciary in safeguarding democracy is also crucial. In conclusion, judicial misconduct and judicial independence are critical concepts in understanding the integrity and functioning of our judicial system. While misconduct can erode public trust and lead to unjust outcomes, robust mechanisms are in place to address such issues and hold judges accountable. Judicial independence, on the other hand, ensures that judges can make fair and impartial decisions, free from external pressures. By understanding these principles, we can better appreciate the complexities of the judicial system and the importance of maintaining its integrity. Thank you for joining me, Dr. Adam McKee, as we explore judicial misconduct and judicial independence. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the criminal justice system. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.